Hey, hi. How is this possible? What do you think? This is a fake video or like that? No, this is not a fake video. Please watch this video till the end and you will understand everything. So let's get started. First of all, we need a speaker like this. Well, I am just kidding. We need a speaker like this one. A stick. Few length of pipe. I'm just fix the pipe with this speaker like this way. We need to make like this one. Keep watching this video. The core concept is you need to set your camera 24 fps. When you play 24 Hz sound, you can see like this, and when you set the frequency level 23, when you set 25 Hz, enjoy the beauty. This is look like a magic, right? Amazing, man. Just awesome. Give a thumbs up please, and don't forget to subscribe my little channel. I need your help. Take care and be safe. Thank you.